Hi kids! I'm so happy you're here this week. With me, I have two assistants today. This is Maxie. He is a conure. He's very colorful, as you can see, and he loves music. So we might hear him sing with us. Good boy. And of course, my trusty companion, Skittles. And Skittles also loves music, although he's been pretty quiet in our lessons so far. He's not always. So before we get started with our lesson today, we have a very special guest called Mr. Moose. And he has come all the way from Elfrida Elementary to give us a very special message. So let's listen to Mr. Moose.
Good morning, I'm Mr. Moose here. I hope everybody is doing good. Remember to keep your chins up and stay strong and be positive. And if you're feeling blue, just sing your way home like this song says. Sing your way home at the close of the day. Sing your way home, drive the shadows away. Smile every smile, for wherever you go, it will brighten your road, it will lighten your load, if you're singing your way home. Bye.
So, first things first, let's review our lyrics. Our lyrics are the words of a song. Tisket a tasket, let's find the springtime basket. Can you repeat with me? Tisket a tasket, let's find the springtime basket. Oh, and Max loves spring, so he reacts to things like that. Look up here, look down there, you won't find it anywhere. Let's repeat that last again. Look up here, look down there, you won't find it anywhere. Very good, kids. So naturally, before we can go into the rest of the song, we have to review our rhythm. And what is most important when we review rhythm is note value. So here's our chart. These are our two notes. You might recognize them that we're using in our song today. We have one of these and we have one of these. Next, let's look at our note values. So we have 1/4 note equals one entire, all for you, pizza. Our 8th note, our two beamed 8th notes, is also one whole pizza, but because there's two notes, we have to cut the pizza in half and share with one other person. So don't forget our 1/4 note with one pizza or one beat. We clap, right? Just one clap. Our beamed 8th notes, which is one pizza as well, that's one beat as well, but it's cut down the middle, so we have to share. We head tap per note. So 1 and. Can you do that with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do 4 groups of 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Great job. So let's see how those notes go into our lyrics. So we go, tisket a tasket, let's. It's that easy. So now that we have the notes, let's try it one more time. Tisket a tasket, let's. Find the springtime basket. Can you try that with me? Find the springtime basket. Now that we have the notes, let's try it one last time. Find the springtime basket. Great job, kids. Let's try the next line. Look up here, look down there. Very good. Try one more time. Look up here, look down there. Can you try it with me? Let's go. Look up there, look down there. Very good. And let's try the last line. You won't find it anywhere. Try it with me, kids. You won't find it anywhere. Great job. So now that we have the whole song, let's try it all together, starting from here. Ready, go. Tisket a tasket, let's find the springtime basket. Look up here, look down there. You won't find it anywhere. Starting from here. Ready, go. Tisket a tasket, let's find the springtime basket. Look up here, look down there. You won't find it anywhere. Very good. So, we are going to review a little bit about what we were working on last week. So I introduced to you the time signature. Can you say time signature? Now, 4/4 is very common. Means that we all use it as musicians across the world. So we don't just call it 4/4 time, but we also can call it, yes, common time. Can you say that with me? Common time. And what does common mean? It means it's everywhere and used a lot. So that's what it means in this case too. Common time is the most commonly used time signature. The next thing we're going to review from last week is, you guessed it, treble clef. Can you say treble clef? Treble clef. The next thing we're going to review is called the bar line. Can you say bar line with me? Bar line. And it kind of looks like this. And what this thing does is it breaks down music into smaller pieces to make it easier to understand. The next thing we're going to review is called the double bar line. Now this one's really easy to remember because if you think of double and you remember double fudge sundae, Means like there's extra fudge on your ice cream sundae. It's the same thing with this. Well, we have 2 lines and the second one is extra large. And this tells the musician where is the end of the song. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put the bar line into our song. Now, how do we know where to put the bar line in our song? Well, it always goes at the front of the measure and at the end of the measure. And if you don't remember what a measure is, go back to my last week's lesson. I have explained it there for you. So we have 4 beats and the quarter note gets the beat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where we're gonna put our bar line. We put it at the beginning and we put it at the end. Right, Maxie? Let's include another one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We put it in the beginning and we put it at the end. Let's go to the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guessed it. It goes at the beginning and it goes at the end. And this one's going to be easy for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I surprised you, right? It goes only at the beginning. Now, why is that? It's because that this is what? The end of our song. So which one are we going to need? The double bar line. The double bar line tells the musician where is the end of the song. Listen. Tisket a tasket. Repeat. Tisket a tasket. Listen. Find the springtime basket. Find the springtime basket. Good job. Now let's sing this whole line. Tisket a tasket, let's find the springtime basket. One last time. Ready, go. Tisket a tasket, let's find the springtime basket. Very good. Let's go on to the next. Listen. Look up here. Look down there. You try. Look up here. Look down there. You won't find it anywhere. You won't find it anywhere. Now we're going to do both of these lines together. Ready, go. Look up here. Look down there, you won't find it anywhere. Great job, kids. Now let's put it all together and see what the song sounds like. Ready, go. Tisket a tasket, let's find the springtime basket. Look up here, look down there, you won't find it anywhere. Great job, kids. So, kids, the last part and most important part of our lesson today is dynamics. We're going to learn today about 2 different types of dynamics. And dynamics really are important because they help make the music interesting to listen to. How many songs have you listened to on the radio or maybe in a performance? Was it all the same tempo? If I talked like this, you would be so bored you would fall asleep. Exactly. So we need to make sure that when we play or sing music, we give it dynamics. Now the 2 we're going to learn today are piano which tells the musician to play softly. And forte, which tells the musician to play loud. So we have softly or piano and forte or loud. So we can add these dynamics to our game, and that's how we're going to play our game today. So Skittles has hidden Gudetama somewhere in this house, and I have to find him. And so Skittles would normally be singing it, but he's a little tired right now, so I'm gonna sing it for him. And when I get closer to it, I'm gonna sing louder. When your parent or guardian or sister, brother gets further away from it, you sing softer or piano. So when they're closer to it, you sing forte or loud, you get louder. When they get further away from the object, you sing piano or softly, okay? Let's try to find Gudetama. Tis Skittle,